on my way to Walmart right now. Best place to buy your engine oil if you want to get cheaper engine, not cheaper, but cheaper priced engine oil. You know, I've gone to AutoZone and they kind of overpriced their engine oil. But yeah, like I said, Walmart is a pretty good place to get engine oil. My fiance's Acura TL is due for an oil change, so I'm probably gonna record that and put that up for you guys. Today's Saturday, so the video might be up tomorrow, Sunday. I don't know if it's gonna be in the morning or later on in the day. I like to have a video up at least every Sunday, but I haven't been able to put any recently because work has been super fucking slow, and I haven't had anything to put up for you guys, anything to record. So just be patient, stay tuned, and I appreciate all the feedback, all the comments, all the likes, all the subscribes that I've been getting. You know, thank you guys, I appreciate it so much. Just keep watching and be patient, and I have some more good stuff for you guys up soon. And I'm also gonna replace my Turnback Switch signals that I got from Raxiom, from American Muscle. Those were really good. I like them because they're a clear LED, and then once you hit the turn signal, it switches to orange and it goes back. Just the clear white ones, I'm gonna put one of those. I'm gonna put one of those on. Like another one went out like 2 weeks ago, and I replaced that one. So I'm gonna do the other side now, and I'll probably put that up in the video too. But yeah, guys, like I said, I appreciate everything you guys do. Let's just keep on keeping on, and I'll see you guys around on the next video. Peace. Totally went. It was in my go. Let me see if it's flickering now. I'm about to show you guys what I mean. Oh shit, it's not even on. Let me see. Put the daytime lights on. It's not doing it. But this is a Turnback, what I mean. Oh, it's flickering now. That one's flickering now. This one looks like it's flickering, but I don't know why the camera's doing that. But I replaced that one. Now this one's flickering, but that's what I mean about the Turnback. You see how it stays clear, and once I hit the turn signal, it goes to amber. I don't know what color that is, amber, orange. And then if I go to the other side, it does the same thing too. See? And another one went clear. Pretty badass Christmas gift I got from my in-law. And then turn it off and it goes back to normal. That's it. I'm about to go into Wally World, get that oil, get the light, and boom, we're ready to go. I guess you pay the extra upcharge for the service and for the speediness of the service. God damn. This lady is on some other shit. At least she was nice. She was just taking forever and putting like people on the phone on hold. She had a long ass line, but at least she was nice. She was cool about it. She wasn't like all like hating her life and shit. So that's not too bad. So I started off by removing the oil filter. This one is hidden behind the wheel, behind the right passenger front wheel. As you can see, it was freaking dirty, and it was really tight on there. I don't know if I tightened that really hard the first time that I did that, or if it just got tight by itself. But yeah, over here I'm just draining the oil. That's the first step that I did, was drain the oil from this side. well, from the oil filter. And I just took the whole filter out, let it leak a little bit, then took the whole filter out. Then I started cleaning around the rim and cleaning the cradle, the subframe of the vehicle, because you can see all the oil dripped on there. After that, I reinsert my my oil filter. I got a Mobile One oil filter, and I added some oil in there before putting my oil in there. I added some oil before putting my filter in there, I'm sorry. And then I lubricated the gasket that it has, and then it's ready to go back in. I didn't tighten it nearly as tight as it was the first time. It was just like just enough to where like I give it enough pressure. You can see here it's just like maybe 2 pulls afterwards. It's pretty good there. After that, I got my 17mm and my ratchet, and I went downstairs and I removed the drain oil plug, and I removed all the old engine oil out. You can see here it all just come down eventually. I jacked the car up so I would be able to get under here, and I put some jack stands underneath the car, so it would leave it up in the air. Then I just went ahead and removed the plug, and gave me access to work underneath the car. You can see the oil was dirty as hell, pretty old. But after that, you know, it's just pretty straightforward. I just went ahead and put everything back, put the drain oil plug back, and tightened it, make sure it was tight and no leakage. And after I tighten this, I go ahead and add my oil again. I went with some 5W20, what is this, 5W20 Mobile One full synthetic, and I went ahead and dumped the whole 5-quart gallon in there, and then I cranked the car for about 10 seconds. No, for like 5 seconds, so I can get the engine to run around inside the motor, so I can get the engine oil to run inside the motor. Once I did that, you know, I check my dipstick and make sure that we're leveled and all good to go. And if you don't, you just add as needed, and you keep going until you hit the sweet spot on your dipstick. And once you're done with that, you know, you're good to go. All that's left is just to reset the engine light, and that's pretty much it. That's what you guys are about to see next. But don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys around for more stuff. Reset the light. All you're gonna want to do is just get to the setting where it says service due soon. Like, you can switch through it, but you're gonna go back to that setting, and then you're gonna hold that reset button up top. Just keep holding it, and there you go. And then select again, and it resets it, and that's it. But that's it for this, guys. The next thing is the light on the Mustang, and we're good to go. So we're gonna start off by taking these clips right here, and one seems to already be missing. Another one up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. But yeah, you just take these out right here that it's supposed to have, but it doesn't. You just pop it out. I don't have my clip remover today, so I'm just using my blade. But it's like I told you guys can use like a regular flathead or whatever. Anything you can get to pry in there. I don't know if I was able to record that, but I just twisted this thing. I literally just twisted it and it came off. This is the ones that come with the Raxiom ones. It's supposed to have like a little clear thing up top, but I don't know what the hell happened to it, and it's not in there. But that one's trash. I'm gonna put this one in. It's in there. Let's see if it lights up. There you go. I'm gonna pop that back in here. Like I said, it's just a little twist off thing. That's it. It's in there. Put this back where it was. I guess it'll just have to go with the one. Down here then. Stay there. But that's it, guys.